Greetings from great used auto sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2022 Chevrolet Traverse RS package. Vehicle's in beautiful condition, triple black color, really nice shape. Let's go ahead and give it a quick walk around. Has about 40,000 miles on the clock, really outstanding condition. Let's go ahead and give it a quick walk around. Then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Super nice. It's got a lot of eyes. Look at that. Beautiful condition. Really nice shape. All right, let's go ahead and take a close look here. Front fender, beautiful condition. Look at that. Really amazing shape. Looks really nice throughout. Front bumper's in beautiful shape. Super nice. Really nice condition. Take a look at the headlamps in the front, beautiful shape. Lower light also in beautiful condition. Grille's in beautiful shape. RS package. The other headlamps also in amazing condition. RS emblem right there. Take a look here. This one has the 360 camera. So it's got camera view all the way around. Super nice. Hood's in beautiful condition. Really nice shape. Does have a small little chip right there. And right here on top. Besides that, looks nice. All right, take a look at the front fender. On the driver's side, beautiful condition, looks clean throughout, really nice shape. Driver door, beautiful shape, very nice. Rear door on the driver's side, beautiful condition. Rear quarter panel on the driver's side, beautiful condition, looks clean throughout. All right, take a look at the rear hatch. Hatch is in great shape, looks amazing. Super nice condition. Take a look at the rear glass, also in beautiful shape. Take a look at those lights, really amazing condition all the way through. Looks beautiful, look at that. Really nice. This one has the backup camera here. Super nice. Take a look at the lower bumper here with parking sensors on it. Looks amazing. Take a look at the quarter panel. Quarter panel on the passenger side, beautiful shape, clean throughout, very nice condition. Rear door on the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout. Front door on the passenger side looks amazing, really beautiful shape. Front fender on the passenger side, beautiful condition, very nice. Does have a small little scratch here on the light. Besides, that's in beautiful condition. Windshield on this side looks good, very nice shape. Take a look at the roof. The roof's in great condition. It looks good throughout. Really nice condition overall. All right, let's take a look at the front windshield on this side. Looks good. Beautiful shape on this side. So here it also has a camera here on this mirror. And then we'll walk around the other side. And another one here. So it has cameras all the way around, which makes it a 360 view. Gives you the view from the top of the vehicle. Really nice. Okay, so that's going to conclude our walk around on this one. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior. Then we'll take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape. Really nice condition. Look at that. Beautiful condition throughout. Here's the controls for the windows. Power locks. Rear power hatch. This vehicle does have a Bose system upgraded. It's a RS package. Seats are in beautiful shape, looks really nice. It's got perforated in the center, really amazing condition. Rugs are clean, dashboard steel, everything looks amazing. Really outstanding shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the front passenger side door panel. Beautiful condition throughout, looks really nice, really in great shape. A little bit of storage there on the bottom. Really nice condition. Take a look at the controls for the power windows, power locks. Let's look at the passenger seat in the front. Very nice. Full power. Really nice condition. It's got the perforated in the center. Very nice. Full power with lumbar. Very nice condition. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Really in beautiful shape all the way through. Look at that. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door panel on the driver's side. Door panel's in amazing condition, looks really nice. Armrest is in great shape. Take a look at that, very nice condition overall. Let's take a look at the rear seat here. On the passenger side, beautiful condition on the second row seat. Really nice. It's a captain's chair, so it has space through the middle to go to the back. Super nice condition. Rugs are clean, beautiful condition. Here in the center console, that's going to have the controls for the AC, and down below it has a power plug and also USBs. Super nice. Little storage space down there on the bottom. Very nice condition. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the third row here. Third row is in amazing condition. Look at that. Let's take a close look at these seats. They look brand new. It looks like it's never been sat in. Look at that. Very nice condition. On the sides here, you have a couple USBs here for the kids in the back. Super nice. Really amazing condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door panel on the passenger side. Door panel's in amazing condition. Look at that. Really nice shape all the way through. Looks really nice. All right, let's take a look at the rear seat. Second row here. Look at that. Beautiful condition. Also perforated like the front. Looks very nice. Rugs are clean, beautiful condition. It's got controls for the AC there in the center. Power plug there, USBs. Let's take a look at the armrests on these. Beautiful shape, look at that. Really nice condition. All right, let's take a look at the third row. We'll pull this handle here. Access to the third row, a lot of space to get in there. Super nice. Rear seats are in amazing shape. Super clean. Very nice condition. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2022 Chevrolet Traverse RS package. Take a look at the key fob. Lock, unlock, remote start, power hatch, and panic. We're going to set the key down here. This one has a push button start that's really nice. So we're going to go ahead and press the brake, push the button, and then we're going to go ahead and take a look at the cluster on this one. Super nice. Look at that. RPMs, fuel gauge, miles per hour, temperature gauge. It's got a really nice information center in the center there. We can go through that. Let's take a look at the mileage right now. The mileage is 49,408 miles. 94% left on the oil. Right now we don't have any device connected, so it's not really showing us what's on the radio. Private road, that's where we're at now. Shows you the compass, the connection to the phone. And these are all the features here. You can go through that. Super nice. And we're going to go ahead and put it back on radio here. And I'm just going to go ahead and put it on the radio station. That way you can see that it shows you what radio station it's on. There you go. So right now it's on that radio station. So while you're driving, you can see the radio station there. Super nice. Also has the compass there on the bottom left. Super nice. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the features on this one. Cruise control in the steering wheel, collision alerts right there. So when you click on that, you can set up the gap. See that? That's so cool. Okay, and then the heated steering wheel is right here. On this side here, this is the controls we're using right now that go through that menu. Here's for the phone hang up. That's to speak your commands. Front and rear wipers. This is for the turning signals here. And also the highlights. Look at that. Control for the power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Super nice. Automatic lights on this one. Steering wheel is leather wrapped. Looks amazing. Look at that. Beautiful condition on the steering wheel. It's really nice. Dashboard steering wheel looks beautiful. Look at that. Really amazing shape all the way through. It's got a beautiful display here in the center. Climate control AC. You got two zones here, so you can set up the passenger zone at one temperature and this one at another temperature, which is really nice. You've got heated seats here. It's a big plus. Look at that. You got your heated seats here for the passengers in the front. Your fan controller here, your vent controls, your defrost front and rear, or you can sync everything all together. Down below that, we have a USB, little memory card to put in there. Look at that. Power plug right there with a little cover. You put your phone down here, you can charge it wirelessly, which is really nice. Wireless charging. Automatic transmission. Parking brake release. This has only two, it has towing, the regular and the slippery. So let's say if I turn it like that, it goes to slippery, shows it on top, snow mode. And turn it again, and it'll go to tow mode. Tow haul mode, which is the one right there in case you're going to tow something. But we're going to go ahead and leave it on normal. So go through both of them here. Fantastic. There's for the lane alert right here. The keep lane, I guess that's what they call it. And this is the bypass for the engine doesn't turn off when you're at the light, because this does have the gas efficiency thing, which if you're at the light, the vehicle's hot already, it'll cut off. AC, everything's still running in the vehicle, but it'll save you some fuel. When you let go of the brake pedal, it'll automatically turn on again. And this is for the brake release. Taking a look in here, a lot of storage in there with a little light. It's really nice. Up above here, we have a really nice feature on this one. This is the regular rearview mirror. Look at that. But this one, when you turn the dial here, that's a camera in the back. So that's really, at night is fantastic. You can see a lot better. And even right now, it's way clearer view. Look at that. Super nice. Up above here, garage openers that are programmable. You have your 2 courtesy lights that are LEDs. Your OnStar information. It also has the passenger side airbag in the front. So if there's a kid there who weighs less than 60 pounds, I believe, it won't turn on. So that's a really nice safety. Taking a look here, LED lights on the vanity mirrors, and they're automatic. And then on this one, also the same thing. See, the darker it is, the brighter they go. Super nice. Let's take a quick look at the headliner's in beautiful shape. Looks really nice. Does have AC vents here on the roof for the rear passengers. It's super nice. Clean throughout. Really nice condition. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. We're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. We will be right back. Okay, we're all set. Take it for a test drive here. We already have it in gear. Let's go ahead and test this one out. Super nice. Very smooth. Really nice drive. We're going to go ahead and brake here. Test the brakes out. Feel good. Really nice. Steering wheel's nice and smooth. Feels amazing. What a nice drive. A lot of power, as you can see here when you accelerate it. 6-cylinder power. So nice. Really great drive. All right, let's go ahead and test out the 360 camera that we have on this SUV, which is super nice. Take a look here. We're gonna find a little spot here, and we can see everything all the way around the vehicle. Here we go. So we're gonna put it in reverse. There you go. Now we're gonna pick a spot. As you can see there, we're seeing the view all the way from the top, and we're just gonna aim for that first space over there. Super nice. Look at that. There you go. Parking sensors are lighting up. There's some pillars there next to us. I'm just going to take it really slow here. We're going straight back. And another feature is when it starts showing the parking sensors on the cluster here, it actually shows you what you're getting close to, which is super nice. So it looks like we're just going to go straight back on this one. There you go. It's still showing it because those bushes are there. And then on the cluster, it shows you what you're getting close to. Look at that. It's really nice. It beeps, and it lets you know that warning. So really quick, we're going to go ahead and put it in park again. And I'm going to show you a little secret feature this one has, which is you press this button here, and look at that. You got storage in there to put your wallet or whatever. Look at that. Like if you go to the gym or whatever, you can put your wallet in there, close it up, The only way of getting access to that is the car's running. You'll be able to access that compartment, which is super nice. Another thing we didn't look at, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the safety features on this one. We'll go to settings, collision detection. Here we go. So this one has a forward collision detection, adaptive cruise, lane change alert, parking assist, rear cross traffic alert, rear pedestrian detection. So that's really nice. It's got all those features. A lot of safety features. All right, guys, stay tuned. We'll be right back. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the tires and take a look under the hood. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the driver's side. Tire's in amazing shape. Looks brand new. Very nice condition. Rim is clean and in great shape. Let's take a close look here. Really nice condition overall. It's got a little mark right here, and it has a little chip here on the edge. Besides that, it looks amazing. All right, let's take a look at the rear tire. On the driver's side, tire's in good shape. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Let's take a look. Very nice condition, super clean. Really great shape. All right, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Tire's in good shape. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Let's take a close look here. Really amazing condition. Look at that. Super clean throughout. Not a mark on this one. Looks very nice. All right, we're taking a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire's in amazing shape. Good amount of tread on there. Continental tire. Looks beautiful. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Let's take a close look here. Rim's in really nice condition. Look at that. Very nice. Beautiful shape. Okay, we're going to go ahead and open the rear power hatch. Take a look at the remote. Lock, unlock, remote start, and power hatch with panic. Original key. We're going to go ahead and press this twice. There you go. Opens right up. Perfect. All the way to the top. Let's take a look here. Beautiful condition on the cargo area back here. Very nice. These seats fold forward when you pull this here. Give you more storage. Down below here, a little bit more storage. And beneath that, that's where the spare tire is. Take a look. Very nice. All right, let's take a look here. Power plugs right there. All right, let's go ahead and close this one up. Really amazing shape. Super, super clean. Okay, we're taking a look under the hood. Engine compartment is clean and in great shape. Looks very nice all the way through. Really beautiful condition. Very nice shape. 6-cylinder power. Take a look under the hood. Very nice. Emission sticker on this one. Looks amazing. Very nice shape. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2022 Chevrolet Traverse RS package. Vehicle's in amazing shape, inside and out, really beautiful condition. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutoSales.com. Thanks for watching.